Chia seeds are a small but mighty superfood that can play a major role in building and maintaining stronger bones and muscles after the age of 60. As we grow older, our bodies naturally start to lose bone density and muscle mass. This process can lead to increased weakness, balance issues, and a higher risk of fractures. However, the right kind of nutrition can slow down this decline and even help reverse some of its effects. That's where chia seeds come in, a natural source of vital nutrients that directly support the health of our skeletal and muscular systems. One of the most important benefits of chia seeds for seniors is their high calcium content. Calcium is the main mineral that keeps bones strong and dense. After 60, our ability to absorb calcium from traditional sources like dairy begins to decrease, which can lead to brittle bones or osteoporosis. Chia seeds provide a plant-based, easily digestible source of calcium that supports bone health without the added fats or sugars found in some dairy products. Just a small amount of chia seeds daily can make a meaningful difference in filling this nutritional gap. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of magnesium and phosphorus, two minerals that work hand in hand with calcium to build and maintain strong bones. Magnesium is often overlooked, but it plays a key role in how our bodies absorb and use calcium. Without enough magnesium, the calcium we consume may not be used effectively. Phosphorus supports the structure of bones and teeth and is also critical for muscle repair and energy production, especially in older adults who may experience muscle fatigue more quickly. In addition to bone health, chia seeds offer several benefits for aging muscles. These seeds are packed with plant-based protein, which is essential for preserving muscle mass. After 60, the body begins to lose muscle at a faster rate, unless it is regularly fed with high-quality protein. The protein in chia seeds helps in muscle recovery, repair, and strength maintenance. This makes chia a great option for older adults who want to stay active, improve balance, and prevent falls. Another powerful benefit of chia seeds is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid ALA, omega-3s, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. As we age, inflammation becomes more common in the joints and muscles, leading to stiffness and pain. By including chia seeds in the diet, seniors can reduce this inflammation naturally and experience improved joint flexibility and comfort during movement or exercise. Chia seeds are also high in antioxidants, which protect the cells in bones and muscles from damage caused by free radicals. This protection becomes even more important with age, as the body's natural defense systems tend to weaken. The antioxidants in chia seeds help support tissue health and may slow down the aging process in both muscles and bones. Digestive health is another area where chia seeds shine. They are loaded with soluble fiber, which not only helps regulate digestion, but also supports the absorption of key minerals like calcium and magnesium. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, and better absorption means stronger bones and muscles over time. Chia seeds are incredibly easy to add to any meal. They have a mild flavor and can be sprinkled on top of yogurt, blended into smoothies, mixed into oatmeal, or added to baked goods. When soaked in liquid, they form a gel-like texture that is easy to digest, making them a gentle option for older adults with sensitive stomachs. For individuals over 60 who are looking to improve their strength, mobility, and overall bone health, chia seeds are a simple yet powerful addition to the diet. They provide a wide range of essential nutrients in a natural, plant-based form without the need for synthetic supplements or complicated meal plans. Regular consumption of chia seeds, along with physical activity and proper hydration, can support a healthier, more active lifestyle well into the senior years. Pumpkin seeds, often called pepitas, are a nutritional powerhouse that can significantly support stronger bones and muscles after the age of 60. As we age, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass and bone density, which can lead to weakness, instability, and a greater risk of fractures. Maintaining strength and bone health becomes a priority for seniors, and nutrition plays a major role in that process. Pumpkin seeds offer a rich blend of essential minerals, healthy fats, and plant-based protein that directly contribute to preserving bone structure and supporting muscle performance. One of the key reasons pumpkin seeds are so beneficial for older adults is their high magnesium content. Magnesium is essential for bone formation and maintaining proper bone density. As we age, magnesium deficiency becomes more common, partly due to lower dietary intake and partly because the body's ability to absorb it decreases. Without enough magnesium, bones become weaker and more fragile. Regular consumption of pumpkin seeds can help restore optimal magnesium levels, which not only helps in strengthening bones but also supports muscle function, reducing cramps, spasms, and overall fatigue. Pumpkin seeds also contain a good amount of zinc, which is a vital mineral for tissue repair, immune support, and bone metabolism. Zinc plays an important role in helping bones heal and rebuild themselves, particularly after stress or minor injuries. For aging individuals who may experience slower healing and lower immunity, zinc from pumpkin seeds can provide steady support to the skeletal and muscular systems. Additionally, zinc helps with hormone regulation, including testosterone levels in men, which plays a role in muscle mass maintenance even in older age. Another important mineral found in pumpkin seeds is phosphorus. Phosphorus is necessary for maintaining the structure of bones and teeth. It works alongside calcium and magnesium to keep bones dense and strong. Many older adults do not get enough phosphorus, especially if their diets lack whole foods like seeds, legumes, and grains. Pumpkin seeds provide a natural source of this mineral in a balanced form that is easy for the body to utilize. When taken as part of a diet rich in other bone-supporting nutrients, phosphorus can contribute to a noticeable improvement in bone health. Pumpkin seeds are also a great source of plant-based protein, which becomes increasingly important after 60. As people age, their ability to synthesize muscle protein decreases, making it harder to build and maintain muscle. Including high-protein foods like pumpkin seeds can help prevent muscle loss and improve strength and mobility. The amino acids found in pumpkin seeds support muscle repair, especially after physical activity or physical therapy, and help improve endurance and recovery. In addition to minerals and protein, pumpkin seeds are rich in healthy fats, particularly omega-6 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats. These fats support joint lubrication and help reduce inflammation, which is a common cause of pain and stiffness in older adults. Chronic inflammation can interfere with both bone and muscle health, making movement difficult and slowing recovery. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like pumpkin seeds, seniors can promote greater flexibility and ease of motion. Pumpkin seeds also contain antioxidants such as vitamin E and phenolic compounds, which help fight oxidative stress that can damage bones and muscles over time. Antioxidants are essential for protecting cells from age-related damage, and they help the body repair itself more efficiently. This is particularly important for maintaining strength, preventing injuries, and slowing the natural decline in physical performance that often comes with age. Another benefit of pumpkin seeds is their fiber content, which supports gut health. A healthy digestive system ensures better absorption of nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and protein, all of which are needed to maintain strong bones and muscles. A sluggish or compromised gut can lead to poor nutrient absorption and deficiencies that negatively impact overall strength and mobility. The dietary fiber in pumpkin seeds keeps the gut moving and supports the growth of healthy bacteria, creating a foundation for better nutritional intake. Pumpkin seeds are versatile and easy to incorporate into the diet. They can be eaten raw, roasted, or added to salads, cereals, yogurt, or smoothies. They also make a convenient snack for older adults who may not eat large meals but still need nutrient-dense foods to support their health. Unlike heavily processed snacks, pumpkin seeds offer a natural, wholesome source of essential nutrients without added sugars or preservatives. For anyone over 60 who wants to strengthen their bones, preserve muscle mass, and improve their physical vitality, pumpkin seeds are a simple and effective addition to the daily routine. Their impressive profile of minerals, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants makes them a functional food that supports healthy aging in a natural and sustainable way. Flaxseeds are a remarkable superfood that can play a powerful role in supporting stronger bones and muscles after the age of 60. As we grow older, our bodies experience natural declines in bone density and muscle strength, making us more vulnerable to fractures, weakness, and limited mobility. Maintaining skeletal and muscular health becomes essential for independence and quality of life. and flax seeds offer a plant-based solution packed with nutrients that directly contribute to these goals. One of the primary reasons flax seeds are so beneficial is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, or ILA omega-3. South are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are essential in reducing joint pain, stiffness, and swelling in older adults. Inflammation often leads to chronic discomfort and interferes with movement, making it difficult to maintain an active lifestyle. By helping to manage and reduce inflammation, flax seeds support more comfortable motion and enhance the body's ability to stay physically engaged and mobile. Flax seeds are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which plays a key role in digestive health. A healthy digestive system ensures that nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and protein are properly absorbed, all of which are critical for maintaining bone strength and muscle mass. Many seniors struggle with nutrient absorption due to slower metabolism or gut-related issues. By promoting gut health, flax seeds help the body make better use of the nutrients it receives, ultimately improving the foundation for strong bones and muscles. In addition to healthy fats and fiber, flax seeds provide a modest amount of plant-based protein. Protein is essential for repairing and preserving muscle tissue, especially in older adults who are at risk of sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. Even small amounts of extra protein from sources like flax seeds can help slow this process and support muscle recovery after physical activity. Maintaining muscle mass not only improves strength, but also enhances balance, coordination, and overall physical stability. Flax seeds are rich in several essential minerals that contribute to bone health, including magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium. Magnesium helps regulate calcium transport in the body and is necessary for bone formation. Phosphorus works alongside calcium to build and maintain the skeletal structure. These minerals help keep bones strong and resilient, reducing the risk of fractures and age-related bone diseases like osteoporosis. Regular intake of flax seeds ensures a steady supply of these minerals in a natural and balanced form. Another unique benefit of flax seeds comes from their high concentration of lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant and hormone balancing effects. Lignans help neutralize free radicals that can damage cells in bones and muscles. They also have mild estrogenic properties, which may help protect against bone loss in postmenopausal women, who often experience a rapid drop in estrogen levels that contributes to declining bone density. By offering this natural hormonal support, flax seeds provide an added layer of protection for aging bones. Flax seeds are easy to incorporate into the diet and are most effective when ground, as whole seeds may pass through the digestive system without being fully absorbed. Ground flax seeds can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, soups, or baked goods without altering the flavor significantly. Their mild, nutty taste makes them a versatile ingredient that can be included in both sweet and savory dishes. This flexibility makes it simple for seniors to enjoy their benefits consistently without needing to make major dietary changes. For those over 60 who are looking to enhance their strength, mobility, and bone health naturally, flax seeds offer a practical and effective option. Their combination of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, minerals, and antioxidants work together to nourish the body from the inside out. When combined with regular physical activity and a well-rounded diet, flax seeds can help support a stronger, more resilient body well into the later stages of life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips designed especially for life after 60. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.